guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, what's up? I'm Ray. Thank you so much for being here. So before we get started, I just wanted to talk about this pillow that I received in the mail today. Look how freaking cute it is. I love this pillow because it's like, well, it's a pillowcase. So you can just, it fits any like decorative pillow. And I love the attention to detail on it. Like it says Chanel right here, and it's like a little foundation bottle, and I thought it was so cute. And I probably will take the pillow out and just hang it up on my wall, but I just really wanted to mention this because it was really cute. And this isn't sponsored by any way, shape, or form. Like, I'm not being paid to say this at all, so I just want to let you guys know that. But I thought I would share this with you, and if you're interested, I'll just leave a link down below. It is not an affiliate link. I'm not being paid to say any of this. So yeah. So today I'm doing a dupes video, and I'm duping out the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This palette is really hyped up right now, and everyone's trying to get their hands on it, so I thought I would try to find you a more affordable option. So if you would like to see that, then please keep on watching. So the dupe that I found was the You Had Me at Hello palette by ColourPop. So the Soft Glam palette is swatched on the top, and the You Had Me at Hello palette is swatched on the bottom, and the colors are all in order of how the palettes are. And here is a close-up of all of the swatches. So going in with the Soft Glam palette first, I'm taking Orange Soda up in my crease on my right eye. Now I'm taking the shade 2Ps from the You Had Me at Hello palette by ColourPop, and I'm putting that in my crease on my left eye. As you can see, once these colors are on the eyes, they are almost exact dupes for each other. Going back into the Soft Glam palette, I'm taking Rose Pink, and I'm putting that all over my lid on my right eye. Going back into the You Had Me at Hello palette and taking Candy Graham and putting that all over my lid on my left eye. I found with Candy Graham, I actually got more initial color payoff than I did with the Rose Pink shade in the Soft Glam palette. I just thought that was very interesting. Like I said in my last video, the Soft Glam palette reminded me a lot of the Modern Renaissance palette, but I felt like you did need to kind of build up the colors to get the best color payoff. Going in with Orange Soda again and just taking that back into my crease on my right eye. Going back in with 2Ps on my left eye up into my crease. Going back into the Soft Glam palette, I'm taking Sienna, and I am placing that on the outer corner of my right eye. I'm also dragging Sienna down on my lower lash line as well. Going back into the You Had Me at Hello palette, taking Want You Back on the outer corner of my left eye. I'm also dragging that color on my lower lash line as well. Sticking with the You Had Me at Hello palette, going back in with Candy Graham, and I'm just popping a little bit more of that on my lid since I lost some of the color during the process of blending. And now going back in with the Soft Glam palette and using the rose pink shade and doing the same thing on my other eye. Staying with the Soft Glam palette, I'm going into Glistening, and I'm going to pop that on my inner corner of my right eye. Going back in with the You Had Me at Hello palette, taking Moonstruck on my inner corner of my left eye. I'm going to pop some mascara on off of camera and I will be right back. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. That really helps me out. Comment down below which palette you'll be picking up. The Soft Glam palette or the You Had Me at Hello palette by ColourPop. The You Had Me at Hello palette retails for $16 and the Soft Glam palette retails for $42, so it is a pretty big price jump. So if you are on a budget, I definitely recommend checking this one out. They're not exact dupes, but they are very similar and you can get very similar looks out of them. So yeah, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell to be notified every time I upload, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!